Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I dressed in college. And I was not the richest in college, but one life hack I need you to know is that you can have at least two pairs of black jeans or leggings or tights, but have as many tops as possible. Why? Because it's easier to notice when someone has repeated a top than when someone has repeated the pants. And so long as your pants are clean, no one will notice it that much than when you repeat the same top. I'm not saying you must have many tops. You can have as little tops as you want, but that's just a life hack that I got to use in college. So check out how I dressed, and if you like it, maybe subscribe and whatever. And yeah, take a look. The first look, even though it's not that clear, I don't know where the good pictures go to. It's a green top with a green trench coat, black pants and some boots. The next look, the bomber jacket, which I wore so many times. That's a very short dress that I got to tuck in the black pants. So to get that, you'll need that top, bomber jacket, pants and the black shoes. The third look is a skirt and some boots and striped top. To achieve that look, you'll need the boots, the top and that. The fourth look is a mustard top, and it has a little choker cutout, which I really love so much. We wore yellow, coincidence, and you'll need that. And I wore a sweater. You'll not see that clearly. The other look is a white top, crop top, and some pants. The fifth or sixth, I don't know, is a skirt and stockings and those shoes. I wore tie-dye this day, very simple teenage boy kind of look. You'll need that. And in this look I have a dress, so you'll need that and the trench coat again, repetition. Here I got to wear a jean skirt. You cannot see the whole thing, and that's what you can wear. Here I got to wear jeans, and that's how I achieved the look with them jeans. And that I wore a dress. Here's a little bit of a close-up on what I wore. And to achieve this look, you may need a bandana, that purple bag to bring in the purple in that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and have yourself a nice day, night, evening, whatever. And see you in my next video. Bye.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting